Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Stuck on YouTube. And want to switch back to live TV? Here's how to do it quickly. The easiest way, just press the back or exit button on your remote. This should close YouTube and return to your YouTube TV channels. If that doesn't work, press the home button to go back to your TV's main menu. Select live TV or cable or satellite from your source options. Still can't get back? Your TV might be on the wrong input or source. Press the input or source button, choose TV, HDMI or cable box, whatever you use for live TV. And that's it. You are back to watching TV. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.